and gentlemen, this guy dancing is a graduate of philosophy, UNM. The reason why he was praying is because he has 3 kids, 2 boys and 1 girl. Show us who the husband is.
Your beauty, the joke is in the As you enter the place, everybody are together. Who are be thanking you? I am be thanking you. Who are be thanking you? I am be thanking you. Who are be thanking you? I am be thanking you. Who are be thanking you? I am be thanking you. Madu matata me, chua chukumo me pasha. Ema wana kamsi kwa do bulu, ya me. Johnny Moa, I don't know how I'm not Johnny Moa. I don't know what I'm thinking.
Let's go. Say what? Let's go.
Your beauty, the joke is in the Bakaya. You enter the place, everybody at the garden. What do you think?
As I choose the regular.
my engineer. Okay, like a man. From glory to glory. I am making the day for us. Olo DPM,
Daddy, when you born again? Daddy, what are you man? Okay.
My happy. I will go slow and that and that's why I'm now. Then I have no doubt that they cheated them. I don't know them. I will take this here.
You are off the market. Once again, let's go, show!
Show when I'm pointing the way.
I want to see us fighting this. What a beautiful ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. I know you say. Say I'm coming.
Fine. Then we'll go to make you a minute. Oh, you're going fine. Every guy, you know, I saw a little chala. Huh? Hello, chala. One number of a huh? It's a hard choice. Too good. Too good. One at the Mumba. Oh, yeah, I bought that. One at the Mumba area. Mubagi has a way. On when Choga, one more could actually get in one way. The given of him, okay, a man. I'm what I go to grandfather. Came by only Mole, or when I warm. I'm what I give when you are born. When I born him. Our feeling is she at high university. gụrụ afọ 10 shaba onwe mgbe o repeat any subject any course onwe any repeat nke mmadụ ọba Chineke jiri kee ya onye a wee star child to me ọ nọ n'ime obi mgbe ọ bịara gwa m sị a na-alụ gị mee ekpere Chineke anabata gị ihe na-ekpe ekpere Chineke anabata gị ana m agọzi nụ aga m gozi nụ olu nna ya Chinamaka nne ewe ije ebe ka Chukwu dị ije ọ ga-edere gị mma ị ga-ịmụ nwoke mụọ nwaanyị aga nnọrọ ị ga na-eje eje na-abata abata gaa nne di gị ga-ede mma ụmụnne di gị ga-ede mma ihe na ma nne gị kemgbe afọ ọgwụ na asatọ anyị lụrụ akwụbeghị ya ihe Chukwu dị aga ekwụghị Chukwu dị edi dị kwụrụ nwaanyị oge nwe igwe ya mee na gị gbaghara ya ị ga-enwe mmụọ mgbaghara ime gị nwa m gwara gị ọ dị m mkpa oge dị gị mma Jesus Christ for your
Truth, please come to that the table of your father so that you collect your father's blessing.
Room now, room.
I'm so happy to be in this event. And I'm a young snake. Going on more water. You all know wisdom. AJP is no. It doesn't happen by power. It doesn't happen by family. It comes from above. And that comes from above is above everything. And that is my desire and my prayer for both of you. I'm a baby. If a daddy will go, I am hating my ife. I need to realize easy. By force. They trouble. Eh? You realize easy. Eh? I ain't look at in a man or that is the Ubu. My English people respect your husband. And every other thing shall be handled. Are you hearing me? People, eh? People, the papa one and that. The papa was issue. And the words was Okakama. Who the guy that is on Punana? Kakama. And the mama says, and even the woman. Ne. I don't know. Master Chukwu was going. I don't know any who don't know one, but we went for about what he went in one now. Since the location, look at that. What he went. What will be no doctor? What's that? Eh? Only under 120 years. I don't know. Look at there. I there. Only answer more. Oh, one as a poor. Eh? Chukwu goes on enough for Jesus Christ, the boy. Amen. I'm going to go more.
Sorry, on that of your wife. Let's go. So right now, discuss with your wife how many children you want to give birth to. When I call the number, you call the cake. Are you ready for me now? Yes. So ladies and gentlemen, if I be a boy of God, by the grace of God, they will give birth to 50 children. 40. 30. 20. 15. You can do it. Remember, Bible says, go into the water. Thank you. 12 children. I don't want 12. Full disciple. The disciple of Jukes. 11 children. You don't want 11? Full football team. Amaka FC. They will be playing in England. Alright, 10. 9. 8. Maka 8. You can do this. 8. 8 children. So that you name the first one Monday, the second one Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. The last one give by a seat at home. 7, 6, 5. Chooks 5. 5 pieces of chicken. Sorry, 5 children. All right, 4. No. Your daddy must hear this. Elebe daddy Morabakano. Daddy, 4 children. 3. I know one woman tell me now. Wait a minute. What's going on here? 3 children. 1, 2, 3. 3 9 months. 2 children. Ladies and gentlemen, and I couldn't pass your back. Please put your hands together for them. Alright, for the members, you have just 1 minute to take pictures.
Igbo Kwen Zwen.